Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you where the fuse box is for the BMW 7 Series from 09 to 14-15 plates. You have one in the rear boot here. This piece of paper, I shall show you the diagram. If we can just do that, pop it, crack its back like that. These are the diagrams. These are the signs of what you need to look out for. They're the numbers, okay? And this is this one here, okay, and this one is to be looked at upside down and it is found, so I'll show you here as well. These are the numbers. You have to look at it in this sort of angle like this, and it's in the glove box compartment here. It's a bit of a tricky one, but there it is. They're the two for this BMW 7 Series.